Lily, did you enjoy visiting Aunt Sarah's house today?
Yes, Mom. We had so much fun.
I'm glad to hear that. But can we talk about something for a minute?
Of course. What happened?
I noticed you forgot to say thank you when your aunt gave you a gift.
Oh, I was so excited that I forgot. I didn't mean to be rude.
I know, sweetheart. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is learning from them.
I feel a little embarrassed now.
That's okay. You can always do better next time. Good manners show kindness and respect. Simple words like please, thank you, and excuse me can make a big difference.
I always say please at home.
That's wonderful. Remember to use those words everywhere, not just at home.
I will. I want people to think I'm polite. I was excited to tell everyone about my drawing.
I understand, but it's polite to wait until someone finishes speaking.
You're right. Next time, I'll wait for my turn.
That's a great habit to learn.
Mom, I'll call Aunt Sarah tonight and thank her for the gift.
That's a wonderful idea. She'll really appreciate it.
And I'll remember to say please, thank you, and excuse me more often.
I'm very proud of you, Lily. Good manners make a great impression.
Thanks for teaching me, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Kindness and respect will always take you far.